What is the complete shoulder and hip blueprint? The program covers 11 hours of videos that describe the hip and shoulder anatomy, plus some exercises meant to develop the client's resistance to injuries, and thus get better results in physical training. At the end of the course, we'll be able to complete your pack of exercises and techniques with new and effective ones. A review on the importance of the program. After completing the entire course, you will be able to acknowledge, prevent, and treat some common injuries. You will know what technique suits each client. Here is what you should expect. This guide will teach your clients to overcome the most common shoulder problems more easily. The program will help you consolidate your evaluation and agenda plan. You will obtain quicker results and use more efficiently yours and your client's time. It also makes you acknowledge issues that you had no idea about before and see if there are moves that work for you or not. Teaches you new techniques in order to update and upgrade your exercise package. The guide will provide you and your clients with real-time results, which will make your clients trust you and your techniques. You will learn what exact exercises to use for a certain type of problem, and that will save you time and counterproductive tries. Combine evaluation, flexibility, power, and practical guide application. Stop guessing exercises whose effects might or might not appear and determine the exact workout that your clients need, according to their issues. Now I've put a link directly in the description box below. So click the link below to visit official site. For the shoulders. The key points on how to recover post-injury trauma and what exercises to apply for your shoulders. Guidance on how to use unifying and motionless evaluations in order to improve your exercise scheme. The ideal methods of coaching a top professional player, along with personalized requirements, and also the flexibility limitations determinants. A review on how human breathing works. How to use breathing to improve the overall balance and flexibility of the superior body. For the hips. Tips on how to recover from hip injury and how to train efficiently. Reviews on how to conclude the ideal posture, depending on the individual's body building. Gentilcore and Dean Somerset teach you how to integrate strength analysis in order to observe the client's needs and thus obtain immediate results. Distinct methods that help the hips' mobility and strength to progress, and how to adapt the level of difficulty of the training. Maybe you fear you might get hurt during the training that the Complete Shoulder and Hip Blueprint seminar proposes. You shouldn't, as there is no side effect to it. The most important features of the program. With this program, you will learn new exercises and how to adapt them to your client's needs. Plus, you will see video demos. At the end of the course, here is what to expect. You will learn how to breathe correctly in order to influence the strength of your shoulder and decrease the risk of injury. The program will show you how to double the hip distance of movement in real time. The videos show Dean and Tony applying their theoretical techniques on their clients. The guide will teach you new squatting and deadlift methods in order to improve the old ones. The viewer will achieve interesting information on how to be an exceptional coach. The Complete Shoulder and Hip Blueprint is equal to 1.1 CEU of the NSCA. This should be a big plus and make you buy the product. Click the link below for visit official site. The pros. This course is approved by NSCA CEU. You can watch the videos whenever you like and however you like. The course can be downloaded on your PC, or maybe put them on a DVD, or even watch it online. The testimonials and all the photos that stand aside them are the biggest evidence of the effectiveness of the program. Free risk. If you don't feel like the guide is useful to you, you can ask for a refund. You have 60 days at your disposal, enough time to decide if you need the pack or not. It is well explained, easy to follow and understand. Clients chose to post on their Facebook profile the great experience that they had with the two co-authors during the seminar. You can be one of the lucky people that enjoyed a live session in the seminar, but make it quick, as the places are limited. The cons. The guides are destined for certified professionals. Those who want the product should at least have notions about the human body anatomy. Don't expect immediate results. The course is only available online. For more information, click the link below.